are pleased to show you the 2016 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, fog lights, security system, CD player, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.